Any pharmacists that cannot solve this particular question, their license should be seized. I'm just kidding. The question reads, a chemist wants to make 800 milliliters of 40% alcohol solution by mixing 25% alcohol solution with a 50% alcohol solution. How many milliliters of 25% alcohol solution should the chemist use? I think let us use some diagrams here to illustrate. Let me use 3 beakers here. 1, 2, and 3. What does it mean? From the question, the pharmacist wants to make 800 ml. So this particular container here should contain 800 ml of that alcohol solution. But what is the concentration? The concentration should be 40%. So this is 40% concentration. What about the first two? So let me use equality here. This is an additional sign. We would like to use an alcohol solution whose concentration is just 25%. So it is not that strong. It is weak compared to 50%. So the concentration here is just 25%, while this particular one here is 50%, which is more concentrated compared to this one. But we don't know how many milliliters here we should add. So let's call this one X mil. This one should be Y mil. Together will give us this 800 mil. Before we come back to the concentration, because you can see this is 25%, this is 50%, but we want somewhere in between, which is 40%. So let me generate my first equation. X plus Y equals 800. But remember, we are looking for how many milliliter of 25% alcohol solution. So I think, let me make Y the subject here. Y equals 800 minus X. So let us compose, let me call this one equation 1. Let me compose equation number 2. We want 25%. What is 25%? 0.25, right? 0.25 of this X. That's what we need here. Plus, we need also 50%, which is 0.5 of this Y. This is equal to 40% is 0.4 of 800. That's what we want. Let's simplify first. This is going to give us 0.25x plus 0.5y. This is equal to, is it 320? 320. This is our second equation. Now take this first equation, plug it into the second equation. Wherever we have y, we're going to replace it with 800 minus x. So this is 0.25x plus 0.5 multiplied by 800 minus x, and this is equal to 320. All right, 0.25x plus half of 800 is 400 minus x times 0.5 is 0.5x. This is equal to 320. Let us bring the like terms together. This is 0.25x minus 0.5x. This is equal to 320 minus 400. All right, so 0.25 minus 0.5 is negative 0.25. This is equal to 320 minus 400. This is negative 80, right? Am I right? Yes, negative 80. But remember, we are looking, oh, there is x here, sorry. Remember, we are looking for x, so x should be equal to negative 80 divided by negative 0.25. The negatives will cancel, and 80 divided by 0.25 is 320. So x is equal to 320 mil. Remember, we have declared the quantity of 25% alcohol to be x, and that x is exactly what we are looking for. So you need 325 mil of this 25% alcohol solution combined with a certain quantity, though we are not asked to find it, otherwise we could find it too, which is y. But we are only interested in this. If you want to find y, you see you have an equation for that. Just say 800 minus 320. That will give us the quantity of 50% alcohol solution to be added to this 320 to get 800 ml of 40% alcohol. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye bye.